The order status page is such an important page that you can be optimizing for more conversions. So today we're going to be going over how you can actually customize and edit that page on your Shopify store. So stick around to the end because I think you're going to like it. So to customize the order status page, we're going to be using ReConvert today. As you can see on the screen, this is the page that you're going to see when you're first loading up the app. There is a free trial, so check it out down in the description. You can add it to your store right now for free. As I said, to start off with, you are going to go to the flow builder, and that's exactly how you're going to get started with anything to customize any page on your Shopify store. Now today, we are going to be focused on the order status page. So if this looks completely foreign to you and you don't understand how this flow builder works, there's a help video right here. If you click the button here, then you can watch that video and it will explain it in detail, or you can ask the live chat for help and they'll be there 24/7 for any questions you may have. So to begin, the order status page is basically the page that customers see after they've already purchased something and they're just checking up on their order. Believe me, customers go on this page a lot, and if you don't have something on this page which is going to entice them to purchase something else, something new like a bundle, if you could recommend products on there, then great, because that is going to actually benefit you massively if you do actually have something on this page. This is what I'd recommend. Obviously you can add the classic stuff to a thank you page or the checkout page, but the order status page is something that people don't really look at too much, but it's something that you can actually do to increase conversions a lot. So as you can see, I've already added the default slots in here. I've actually made another slot that I did in another video to do with the status page, but today we're going to create a new slot that we're going to be adding to our store. So we're going to click create slot, and basically a slot in ReConvert is where you can add different widgets into a singular slot, and that slot you can input into the order status page, for example, and you can add in multiple slots into a singular page. So that's basically how it works. So what you want to do is you want to delete this default widget in right now. You want to remove the widget by clicking on it, bottom left, remove widget. And then essentially you want to basically customize this to your liking. So for me, I like to add a banner and potentially a bundle. It really just depends on what you want to offer, but from my experience, I really enjoy bundles and it has worked on stores that I've done before. So that's what I'd recommend you to actually do. So I'd recommend for you to add a banner in, which is basically informational type thing. We've created videos all about banners before on our channel, so check them out as well. Obviously, it is completely your choice what you want to add in. For the purpose of this video, I am going to do a banner and a bundle, so you can actually see how that works. So to start with, I'm going to create the widgets right now and add the banner in right there and add the bundle underneath. So as you can see, this is how it's shaping up. You can customize any of these details as much as you want. So I'm going to customize the banner at first. So I'm actually going to get rid of the text on here, which is actually frequently bought together. So I'm going to get rid of this text here because I think it doesn't need it. So I'm going to use this banner to my liking. With the banner, you can add all these different sorts of options. We go into it in other videos, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to actually add it as the critical banner status. So I'm actually going to make critical as my option on here. Basically, it shows up as this, and you can customize this as much as you want. We go into that in other videos, so check them out on the channel. I'm going to add a title right here, which is going to be, and basically by adding in the word exclusive and this banner right here, people are going to look at the bundle and think, wow, this is just tailored for me. I need to purchase this bundle right here. So I'm going to get into the actual bundle offering right now. As you can see, this is the bundle. You can edit it as much as you want to basically customize exactly what you're going to display on here. I'm currently getting rid of the quantity selector for all the products because I like that I'm able to only display one singular bundle that someone can purchase. Otherwise, it gets a bit tricky in terms of the logistics. Now, you can actually customize how many products on a singular bundle. Now, I recommend 3 is a great number, but obviously you can do 2. If someone's already purchased 1 product on the order status page, I may even remove 1 product. I'm actually going to do 2 products, I've decided. So here we are, we're going to remove 1 product. As you can see, there's 2 right there. And then you can center it, or you can add a slider. I'm personally kind of like this layout, you know. I kind of like that you can see there's 2 options here and you can select the variant. You know, I'm liking this. Obviously, this quantity selector isn't going to be shown on the order status page when we view it. And then all you have to do left is select basically what discount you want to provide them, which is exactly what I'd recommend you to be doing. You should be offering a discount for someone purchasing this as a bundle. So I'd highly recommend to start with maybe 15 to 20%. I'm going to do 20% for me. You can also add conditions so people only see this bundle if they purchase a set item. So we're going to get into that after this. What we're going to do is we're going to hit save, and that is our bundle right there. It's 2 products, discounted 20% if you purchase them together, only on the order status page. So you can customize this to show specific ones on different pages. It really just depends on your audience, like I said. So as you can see, add condition, this is exactly how, if you press this button here, this will load here, and you can basically add conditions. Basically, with conditions, you can add condition, as it said, to basically only show up the bundle on a slot where the bundle you want to be shown at is. So if that makes sense, you can choose any of these things right here. So if someone's in a specific country, if someone has purchased a previous offer before, which is great because you know they have purchased something like bundles before. You can also do product tags. You can tag products. So it's only showing specific ones with a certain tag. So you know not to show specific products in there. You can customize this as much as you want. So basically only show products that you want on the bundle. So I highly recommend to do that. So once you're actually done with your slot and you're happy with how it looks, you can click right here, place your slots in the Shopify editor, and then it's going to load up another tab right now. Wait for that to load, and boom, as you can see on the screen, this is my order status page. This is exactly what it looks like right now without adding any slots to it. My slot is actually slot number 3. As you can see here, there are different slots right here. My slot's slot number 3, so make sure you select the right one, otherwise it's not going to show what you've already edited. That's exactly what you want it to show. As you can see right here, this is the bundle. So as you can see, check out our exclusive bundle just for you. It is going up right here. So I recommend to maybe leave it where it is right now, but you can order this around as much as you want. You can move it down, move it below here, in between all these different sections. You can even add it here in this empty space. You just want to test it out and see. But if you go back here, you can actually see, if you click on a slot, you can actually see how many impressions, all of the data right here. So you can actually test things out, A/B split test, different slots in different positions and all that stuff for different customers. So if you are able to segment it as much as possible, then you'll be able to see who's purchasing what, who's doing this, who's not doing it. Maybe it has X amount of impressions and it's getting the clicks, but no one's purchasing it. That tells you that you basically need to change up the offering because people are seeing it, right? You're getting the customers viewing it, but you're not getting anyone purchase it, which is a problem, right? So you might want to test it out. You may not get it perfect at the beginning, but if you test this out and test out kind of the design and all that, then you're going to have customers to basically purchase more and actually give you a higher average order value. You can increase it massively by actually adding it to order status page right now. Think about it. You can add this to order status page and we've seen results massively. You can check out all our case studies on our website as well. There are so many different stores that we've actually helped out with. There's currently over 45,000 active stores that are using us. So I'd highly recommend to check ReConvert out. Down in the description, there's a free trial, like I said. You can get started today right away and actually build this in minutes. You just have to click save, as you can see on the screen. And there you go. That's pretty much it. You've added it to your store. Obviously, like I said, you can see the data all the way on here. And if you go back to your home page of ReConvert, the dashboard, obviously this is just a demo store, so I haven't actually been doing this as a public store, but obviously you can see the ROI, you can see the conversion rate, and actually most people definitely get an ROI over 1,000% because it costs nothing really for you to use ReConvert. So that's what I'd highly recommend. You check out ReConvert and try it for free. There's a free trial, like I said, for 30 days. So check it out down in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to check out how you can actually add product recommendations to your store instead of bundles, then check it out right over here. We'll see you there. It's going to be a good one.